it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and how to kill a kit with style. This month's kit, I used my kit from Secret Not Secret Kit Club. It's a mini kit with Camp Happy, and Christina sent it to me, and she added a few other things that weren't in the photo play Camp Happy, and I'm going to be using them. And I added some more. So it does have a little more than what the kit originally had. Um, I've already done a few layouts, but this is my first voiceover. And that picture of Luke there, he is holding his birthday cake, and it has like a camp scene kind of on it. Well, maybe more like a map because it has a pond right in the middle of it with two gigantic fish laying in the pond. And then the trees, the fish are bigger than the trees. And other things on there, but I thought this would be a cute collection to use with this picture. And I have several outdoor ones that I want to scrap this month that I've kind of been putting off because I didn't really have stuff I wanted to use to do them with, but this is perfect. That die that I used there, I am kind of thinking that it was cat scrappiness, and it comes in a set of 3, but I can't find one. I did find a die the other day. It must have been stuck to a shoe or something. I don't know. It was in the bathroom, in the floor, and I went to sweep the floor, and I thought, what is that? And I thought it was a little piece of paper that had, like, the gold or silver on it. Silver's what I was thinking. And I went to pick it up, and it was a die, and it was ampersand. And yeah, I've been missing that. And there it is, all of a sudden. Does that happen to y'all? That, you've looked and looked and looked for it, and of course it's super tiny, and then it just shows up out of the blue. If I just kept sweeping, though, it would have been gone. These trees here, though, they're so cute. They have little places cut all in them for your branches to come out, so it makes them a little more three-dimensional, and that's what I was doing, was pulling them out. However, once I put that foam adhesive behind that one and adhesive on the other one, it doesn't do as well. And I'm using that sticker with the fawn, and yeah, I don't mind the white, and I left it on here if it's going on white. And even though I put that ink on there, most of this is white. It just has like spots of light blue. I'm having a hard time getting his picture straight. Can y'all tell? I'm using this, and it's called Wander. And I'm pretty sure it's Wander, but I ran out of A's a long time ago. So I am like turning the B upside down and cutting the top off for my A. And yeah, I had to do that twice on there for catch and A, but it worked. I thought about using another sticker, and I really didn't see one I wanted. I thought about that banner, and I thought, well, there is a wooden banner, a wood veneer, and I pull it up, and I don't like it either. But I am going to use half of this reel. I love that reel. I only have the one. I would love to have more, but of course I cut it in half so I can use the other half on another layout. And I seen that bird, and I thought, he loves duck hunting. I'm going to throw that on here too. Although that's not what he's doing at the moment. I am putting some crochet thread. I put a brown and cream colored twine in this kit, and I also put crochet thread because I thought there's some times that I probably wouldn't want the brown and white. And I'm thinking about adding some brown with it too. I was considering that the other day. I haven't done it yet, but I'm thinking the next layout that I do, I'm going to pull some brown and put in there because I think it'll go great. And those stickers weren't in my kit. But since this is a birthday layout, I pulled them out because I wanted to put the birthday on there. I thought there's got to be something. And I put half a sticker here. I'm going to cover so much of it up you can't really tell what it says. But I think one word shows up and that's it. I don't even know why I bothered putting it on there. It could have done without. And let's see, what am I doing here? Oh, I'm cutting the birthday down. I'm pretty sure it said happy birthday on the top, and I just cut it off the top. And so it's birthday catch of the day. And I think that's the last one I use out of there. I think it is. Even though I'll look again, I think that's the last one I use out of there. And I think that was from the Boy Rad collection, and I still had them left over. Oh, no, I'm using this one up here in the corner. And I'm putting white cardstock behind it because I wanted it to show up there because, it's pretty dark up there. And I just wanted like a additional little kind of banner thing. And oh, here I decided to make me a tab, and I started just punch it out, but then I was afraid I wasn't going to get what I wanted where, and so that's why I centered it where I wanted it, and I wanted to make sure there was something in there that wasn't green. Because I'm not going to put no word on there or anything. I just wanted it for the color, basically. Yeah, for the color. And oh, this is that trim that Christina put in the kit. Oh, I love it. I do not know what it's called. I even looked on the internet trying to figure it out. All she said in the description was trim. And I am going to use little bits and pieces all over this layout, thinking I'm going to make it spread farther. Well, but like I said, got like 4 or 5 layouts done. And I'm pretty sure I used it on every single one. And my piece is getting smaller and smaller. It does not look like I've conserved at all, but really I have. And I did pull this one sticker out here, and I backed it in black, do the layering thing, just because I wanted it to show up just a little bit better. And I'm putting a little bit of that trim in there also, because I love that trim. It's kind of like, it looks kind of like twigs that, well, what actually reminds me of twigs in the woods that might have some mushrooms or something growing on it, because it's a white, and when the mushrooms are growing on something, and moss, they both might be there together. But this is the white part that's on there, and I really like it. It just adds to the outdoorsy theme. It was an awesome addition to the kit. Oh, this is a little bird, and I thought I'm going to just set him right there on my reel, viewfinder reel. Yeah, and I thought he'd look really cute. And here, that's a fly for fishing. And so I pulled out my crochet thread again, and I tried to put it on there earlier thinking I'd hook the fish on it, and I didn't like the way it had such a little area to go in to actually be seen between the banners and the picture, so I didn't do it. And then I thought, I really want to put that on there, so I am putting it where it's kind of short and it comes around there and has the fly, and here's the fish, and the fish has white around it. The fly does too, but it's straight onto the paper. But I wanted to make it look like it hooked through the mouth of the fish, so I did fussy cut around the fish. And now I'm finally opening up my ephemera. And I am going to use something out of there. I'm going to use a ticket. And yeah, I'm pulling everything up there, looking at it, trying to decide what'll fit. And I would have loved to have put that there, but I couldn't figure out how to make it fit. And you see all the words, and I wanted all the words to show. So I am going to end up pulling out a yellow ticket, and I'm going to layer it with the black and make it show up just a little bit more. I'm kind of iffy whether I like it or not. I tried it on the side when I was taking the pictures just to see if I liked it on the side. I didn't, so it went back up there. But yeah, I'm just fussy cutting around it so that it shows up better and don't blend in quite as well. And like I said, I'm still iffy of whether I like it or not. I think it's because it's so big and bright and there's really not that much yellow on the page. Little teeny tiny flecks of yellow here and there, and that's about it. Um, I think I'm getting close to getting done though. I'm not going to find much else to put on this layout. But I did find this, and I'm going to put it up there right there where the tab is so that it'll have some dimension up there. It's basically what I was wanting to put up there was dimension. But that's it. That's my layout. I am done with it. And yeah, you see my little wood veneer with the deer head. Looks so cute there. But yeah, I'm finished with my layout, and I used, well, everything except for a couple of things came straight in the Secret Not Secret kit. And that little deer head came in the kit. And it's just so cute. And I used it on my first layout with it. But yeah, the wood veneer, and I have a bunch of those with the heart. I think I got them off of Freckled Fawn, maybe. I'm pretty sure it might have been that. And they have a real good sale sometimes. So you ought to make sure you sign up for the email on it. But yeah, I just tucked a little piece of that trim in there, and there's my deer and my fish with the hook. Can't leave that out. But yeah. Oh, and thank y'all so much for watching. If you look down there below, you will see all the other gals doing how to kill a kit with style this month. And they will have awesome layouts and quite a few videos this month too. But if you like the video, hit a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. Have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.